Discover how easy do-it-yourself installations can be. Thanks to the Imaco copper steel kit, it is now possible. Arrange the boxes so they don't move or crash against anything. Make sure that during transport, the packaging of the outdoor unit is in an upright position and cannot turn over. After arriving at the place of installation, unload the outdoor unit box. Make sure it is kept in an upright position. Use the following simple tools to install your air conditioning unit with the Imaco copper steel kit. Drill, 60mm corer, universal adjustable wrenches, screwdriver with electric protection, tape measure, scissors for electric wires, spirit level. For a correct installation of the indoor unit, choose a sturdy wall able to bear the weight of the split unit. Pay attention to the wiring, water or gas piping or bearing columns inside the walls. The unit should be installed at least 2 meters from the floor, but it shouldn't be higher than 3 meters. Don't forget to leave enough space around the unit for routine maintenance operations. It is important that no obstacle block the circulation of the air, both on the supply and emission side. When choosing the installation site, try to pick a wall adjacent to the outside. It will be easier to channel the condensation water outside. To correctly position the outdoor unit, choose a place protected from sun, rain, snow and strong winds. Make sure irrigation systems and gutters are far enough from the unit. The base of the unit must be positioned on a dry place, protected from backwater, piles of leaves and other debris. The unit should not be an obstacle for people or pets. Make sure the condensation water can be drained easily and that the unit can be accessed easily for maintenance and possible repair operations. Remove the indoor unit from its box and carefully place it on a flat surface. The fastening plate must be placed at least 15 centimeters from any other object or wall. To position the fastening plate, mark the points where the holes have to be drilled using a pencil. Drill the holes using the drill. Position the plate. Verify the position using the spirit level. Fix the plate to the wall using the 4 dowels and countersunk screws. It is extremely important to correctly drill the wall for the installation of the piping system of the unit. Use the drill to make a guide hole in the wall using a long tip, 8 to 10 millimeters. By using the previous hole, use a 60mm corer to drill the hole completely, keeping a 5-degree angle towards the outside. This will assure the correct flow of condensation water through the drain pipe. Make sure nothing was trapped inside the hole. The Imaco copper steel kit contains everything you need for a perfect DIY installation. One-shot quick couplings, hermetically sealed. Copper line in hard vacuum to bend by hand. Helical steel line in hard vacuum, flexible and easy to position. Condensation drain pipe. Electrical connection cable. Plastic clips and insulator. The Imaco copper steel kit is the first real kit for DIY installation that does not require the use of flare connections and of a vacuum pump. To replace the union nuts with the ones in the kit, remove the caps assembled on the joints of the air conditioner pipes. Remove the plastic protection caps from the quick couplings of the Imaco kit. If necessary, clean the surface of the joints with a clean cloth. Screw the quick couplings manually to the threading on the pipe joints of the indoor unit. Use the right tool and tighten until you notice greater resistance. Trace the outline of the coupling nut using a felt pen on the nut of the pipe connection. Then tighten it with a quarter turn. Subsequent non-alignment of the traced line will indicate how much the attachment has been tightened. This final rotation of a quarter turn is necessary to guarantee a perfectly sealed joint. Open the door on the front. Pass the electrical cable through the hole in the back of the unit and block the poles of the cable in the terminals following the colours indicated, and make sure the poles do not make contact. Caution: green-yellow is always and only for earth. Cut any excess cables and protect them with electric tape. Before making any electric connections, make sure no cable is connected to the mains and that the unit has an earth connection. Close the door with the screw when the electric connection has been completed. Connect the condensation drain pipe supplied with the Imaco kit to the condensation discharge of the indoor unit. Clip together the pipes, the condensation drain and the electric cable. Slide them carefully through the hole in the wall. Hook the unit to the upper part of the plate so that the lower part is free to move and can be lifted. To connect the lines in hard vacuum of the Imaco kit, screw the quick coupling at the end of the steel pipe onto the joint of the indoor unit. Trace the outline of the coupling nut using a felt pen on the nut of the pipe connection. Then tighten it with a quarter turn. Repeat this operation to connect the quick coupling of the copper line. Make sure to tighten it with a quarter turn. This final rotation of a quarter turn is necessary to guarantee a perfectly sealed joint. Wrap the ends of the pipes and the couplings with the insulator supplied with the Imaco kit. After opening the outdoor unit box, position it in the point of final installation using shock absorber supports. Position the unit on the supports and fix it using the pins. According to needs, you can use the specific brackets found on the market. Move the outdoor unit carefully, holding it with two hands and keeping it in an upright position. This will avoid damage to people or objects. Lay the pipes along the wall until you reach the outdoor unit, making sure to follow gentle curves. Keep the pipes joined with the plastic clips supplied with the kit. To replace the supplied joints with the ones in the kit, remove the caps assembled on the joints of the air conditioner pipes. Remove the plastic protection caps from the quick couplings of the Imaco kit. Screw the quick couplings manually to the threading on the pipe joints of the outdoor unit. Use the right tool and tighten until you notice greater resistance. Trace the outline of the coupling nut using a felt pen on the nut of the pipe connection. Then tighten with a quarter turn. Remove the plastic protection cap and screw on the second joint. As previously, trace the outline with a felt pen and then tighten with a quarter turn to guarantee a perfectly sealed joint. To connect the lines in hard vacuum of the Imaco kit, remove the cap from the quick coupling at the end of the steel pipe and screw it onto the coupling positioned earlier using the appropriate tool. As previously, trace the outline with a felt pen and then tighten it with a quarter turn. Repeat the operation to connect the copper pipe. Verify that no cable is connected to the mains. Open the upper door of the unit and loosen the fastening screws of the wire clip. Block the wires in the terminals following the colors indicated and make sure the poles do not make contact. Caution: green-yellow is always and only for earth. Cut any excess wires and protect them with electric tape. Block the wire with the wire clip and close the door using the screw without clamping the wire. Before switching on the air conditioner, verify that the condensation water flows correctly along the drain pipe. Remove the front panel and the filter supplied from the unit. Then slowly pour about half a litre of water into the collection tank of the indoor unit. Position the special activated carbon filters, if supplied, in the appropriate seats under the plastic anti-dust filters and reposition the front panel. Fix the unit, pulling it downwards, and move it to the side to check that it fits correctly. Carefully fill the circuit. Open the closing propeller nuts in order to act on the taps of the suction line and the liquid line using a wrench. This will allow the refrigerant to circulate into the device. Your air conditioner is ready for operation. Connect the unit to the mains and enjoy the comfort and well-being of a cool room. According to needs, you can choose to leave the pipes visible or fix a raceway to the wall and let the pipes, condensation drain and electrical cables pass inside it. With the Imaco copper steel kit, this summer keeping cool means do it yourself. You can do it.